Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful and very cute baby blanket pattern. It has a 3D texture, as you can see that, and it's made by only 4 rows and 2 colors of yarn. For this pattern I used Alize Baby Best yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. You can make it with another yarn. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work with first yarn and make a slip knot and then make chains. The number of chains should be a multiple of 2. I made 36 chains and now skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet into the second chain and other chains. Single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, and repeat that and make 1 single crochet into each chain until the end of the row. Now at the end I have 35 stitches, 1 less than the first chains, and for next row make a chain and turn the work. In this row we have to make bubble stitches and single crochets. Okay, so yarn over and make 1 bubble stitch into first stitch of previous row. Here insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Don't complete this double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the same, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. I made 3 incomplete double crochet and repeat that 2 more times into same stitch, 1 and 2. Now I have 5 incomplete double crochet and 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them and form that, and then make 1 single crochet into next stitch. Okay, repeat that, yarn over, insert the hook into next stitch and make 1 incomplete double crochet and repeat that 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on the hook and form this bubble stitch. Go to the next stitch and make 1 single crochet into that and repeat that, 1 bubble stitch into next stitch with 5 incomplete double crochet, 3, 4, and 5. And 1 single crochet into next stitch. And continue this work until the end of the row. Okay, row 2 is finished, and after last bubble, cut the yarn and turn the work. I want to continue the work with second yarn. So grab the next yarn and insert the hook into this bubble stitch, grab the yarn and attach the yarn. Now make a chain, and now we want to make 1 single crochet into each stitch of previous row. This is the first stitch, make 1 single crochet, then go to the next stitch, that's a single crochet, and make 1 single crochet. Again, go to the next, that's 1 bubble stitch, make 1 single, and make 1 single into next single, and repeat that. 1 single into next bubble, and 1 single into next single crochet. Continue this work until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of row 3 and I want to start next row, row 4, with a chain. Turn the work and repeat row 2. In row 2, the first stitch was a bubble stitch, but in this row, row 4, the first stitch is a single crochet, okay? Insert hook into first stitch and make 1 single crochet. Then make 1 bubble stitch into next stitch with 5 incomplete double crochet. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over, pull through all 6 loops on the hook and form that, and then make 1 single crochet into next stitch. Again, go to the next and make 1 bubble stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Collect them together, form that, and make 1 single crochet into the next. Each bubble stitch in this row is placed between 2 bubbles of 2 rows below. Okay, and the number of bubbles is 1 less than the number of bubbles of row 2. Continue this work until the end. Now I'm at the end of row 4. The last stitch is a single crochet, and then we have to cut the yarn again and repeat row 1 and row 2 with first yarn, and after that again cut the yarn and repeat row 3 and row 4 with the same yarn. Okay, we have to repeat these 4 rows several times. 1 row of single crochets and then 1 row of bubbles and singles. Start with a bubble, then again 1 row of singles, and after that 1 row of singles and bubbles. Start with a single crochet. You have to continue this work and change the yarn each 2 rows. I repeat those 4 rows and then I'll come back. Okay, I repeated those 4 rows and you can see the front view of the pattern, and now this is the back view of the pattern. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and leave a comment. Have a nice day.